For the ultimate in power transmission capabilities for heavy industry applications, the Optibelt Blue Power 2 Aramid V belts have up to 100% more power capacity than conventional V belts. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Suitable as an individual belt, in a set, or as a craft band, the Blue Power 2 is made of a high-performance ethylene propylene compound material and reinforced with transverse fibers, giving it 10% more power transmission than the original Blue Power version. This increased power transmission capacity makes the Optibelt Blue Power 2 suitable for even heavily loaded drives in heavy-duty mechanical engineering applications, for example. The belt's high-flex, flexible aramid tension cord means it works well with back-bending idlers, and its abrasion-resistant fabric makes it ideal for dusty and dirty environments like mines and quarries. With new colour coding markings, the belts can be easily grouped into sets without measurement. And with a temperature resistance range of -30 to 120 degrees, the belts can be used in extreme cold or hot environments. More information, just go to optibelt.com. And thank you for watching.